So I'm here at the mall 40 minutes early before the movie starts, and the workers haven't even come. But yeah, it's all right. I need to get out of the house. It was occupying my mind too much into stuff that I'm not very well equipped to deal with. Although they are my problems, they are my issues, and challenges to face. Yeah, that is the kind of thing I do. I look into my brain and see what's wrong there and try to fix it. But the issue comes when I don't have enough knowledge. I want more knowledge of my life, of in general science, psychology, and to be able to understand then and fix myself. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really consider it being fixing, or that I'm broken or something, or anyone is. It's more like overcoming challenges if you want to become a better self. Because if you don't want to do anything, if you are just happy, living and just doing whatever, taking whatever life throws at you, yeah, just like, oh, I got this, yeah, I'm happy, pretty, yeah, that's all right. There's nothing wrong with that, although I made it sound like it's a wrong thing, but it's not. It's really amazing to not overthink life, or not want so much from life, and live a normal life. I wish I could live that. I don't really wish that. Sometimes I do. I feel like that I'm super intelligent. I'm just too intelligent for the issues of my life, and that's why I have too much brain to overthink. And this I feel is true for everyone who overthinks, and not everyone, most who overthinks, because overthinking comes from that cat is looking at me. Overthinking comes when you have when you have a lot of brain but very little challenges for you to use it on, right? So I feel that all the super intelligent people, they have very less issues in their life, and too much of a brain power, which they are constantly using in the same relationship dilemma, on their ex, past breakups, or a career choice, or this and that. Their life is too shallow for their brain. They have too much brain power to spend, but their life experiences and aspects are getting in the way. They need to broaden their life, what life expect not expectancy. They need to broaden their horizons, their limits of the aspects they follow, or the aspects they control in their life. For example, if you're too fixated on your ex, the possible solution could be focusing on other parts of your life, being physical, mental, social, improving yourself in other ways. And that is where self-improvement comes in. My whole channel is about that. If you're new here, do subscribe. Yeah, so I think that is a guy from the box office. Yeah, I'll just go talk to him. Get a ticket for a movie early morning. Yeah, life's pretty good. All these thoughts creep in, but I guess it's majorly my fault for these thoughts, and because I know it's my fault. I'm not saying like it's my fault, I have to fix everything. I have to, but this time it's on me. Every time it's on me, but this time a little harder. And yeah, I want to fix that. I want to change that. God give me strength, even though I don't really believe in you. I do believe in him, just not in a way that I would religiously practice and do stuff. Meet you in the next one. Until then, Girvesh signing off from Mumbai. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.